me take you through the West Bengal protesting teachers clashing with the police after the teachers' recruitment scam that broke out and the court's ruling on dismissing the entire recruitment process, basically dismantling the entire process that was carried out. Here we're looking at the teachers who claim innocence wanting to be recruited back again. They say that their life has now been derailed. It's taken a big hit with this ruling and they are not involved in the scam, so why should they bear the brunt? We saw violent clashes that broke out between them and the Kolkata police today. Many of them, including women, were injured in police lathi charge, large-scale lathi charge that was carried out to remove those protesting teachers who were agitating, asking for them to be reinstated. Now, eyewitnesses claim that police action left many of those protesters bleeding. Teachers who lost their jobs following a court order last month that cancelled thousands of appointments, all of them now, at least a large number of them, carrying out sit-in protests and demonstrations in front of the Education Department, asking for them to be reinstated. You had BJP IT Cell Chief Amit Malviya slamming the Mamata Banerjee government for authoritarianism and abuse of power, claiming that teachers protesting are not allowed to protest peacefully. The state is using brute force to chase them away.
Yesterday, since morning, basically around 11 to 12, suddenly a huge crowd of teachers gathered in front of Vikas Bhavan, and suddenly they became very agitated and then they broke the barricades and tried to enter the premises of Vikas Bhavan, and police tried to reason with them, but they would not listen to any reasoning, and they broke the gate open and caused a lot of damage to the gate, and then they flooded the whole premises and literally took over the premises of Vikas Bhavan. It's noteworthy to note that the Vikas Bhavan doesn't only house the education department. There are a lot of very important departments, around 58 total departments, and more than 500 employees work there. We thought that we have to show extreme restraint and extreme caution in dealing with them so that we can arrive at amicable solution with them.
हम जो क्वालिफाइड टीचर है, जो उसका अगेंस्ट में कोई दुर्नीति करने का कोई प्रमाण नहीं है, तो इसलिए हमको विथ रिस्पेक्ट हमको हमारा विद्यालय में हमको वापस देना होगा।
तो एसएससी एग्जाम लेने के बाद एसएससी का ही जिम्मेदारी होता है कि हम लोगों का जॉब कंफर्म करें, लेकिन सरकार और एसएससी का दुर्नीति के वजह से हम लोगों का एक हाल है।
जिम्मेदारी पूरा एसएससी जो स्कूल सर्विस कमीशन है और हमारा गवर्नमेंट है, जो